Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking It Up with Ro. Today what I'm going to make is my easy, it is a vegan version of stuffed shells. These are the ingredients. Do keep in mind guys, the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cook your pasta noodles according to the package. And then after that, you want to go ahead and have you some scallions and chives already diced up. And add in your cream cheese alternative, which mine is made of almond milk. And it also have chives in it. And I just added in some dairy-free mozzarella cheese, about a handful. And then I'm going to lightly season it with salt and black pepper. And then once you do that, you want to just mix it well, make sure it's combined, and set it aside. Now you want to go ahead and cook down your spinach. So I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil, some onions, and then I'm just going to add the spinach in and just stir it. Guys, don't walk away from the stove. Spinach cooks quickly and shrinks well. You don't need a whole lot of it. I only boiled about 12 shells, so do keep in mind when cooking your shells, don't cook the whole box unless you're doing enough the filling for the entire box. So now you want to add in your tomato sauce of choice. I use just crushed tomatoes, and I added about a teaspoon of tomato paste, and I added my seasonings. You can season it however you like. And then if you want to add sugar, you can add sugar right there. Now I had to add a little bit of water to help it thicken up some, and I just stirred it well and removed it from the heat and allowed it to just simmer. After that, I took a 9-inch pan, put some sauce on the bottom. And here guys, this is how you stuff the shell, just using a spoon. So once you stuff them all, you want to go ahead and add mozzarella cheese on top. That's optional. This is also optional as well. This is just how I do mine. I do put sauce on top of it after I prepared it. Then I'm going to layer just a little bit more of the mozzarella cheese. And then from here guys, you want to make sure your oven is preheating while you're putting it together. And then you're going to bake it covered for about 25 to 30 minutes, then uncovered for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the finished results guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.